in a most enchanted kingdom. One overflowing with magic. And once upon a time, it all began with a dream.
Yesterday, Disneyland and the New York World's Fair. Tomorrow, a project so vast it has already been called a whole new Disney World.
As you can see on this map, we have a perfect location in Florida. There's enough land here to hold all the ideas and plans you can possibly imagine.
Sure is swell. Some folks like to say that it all started with a dream. But you want to know what makes this place really special? It's you. Each and every one of you. Anytime you set foot here, you leave this place brighter than it was before. Because you are the magic.
Make a wish upon a star. Just believing you have traveled from so far. Now you're close enough to feel it. With a smile on your face and a song in your heart, this is where you're meant to be. Make a wish upon a star. The magic is here. It's here for you and me.
The magic of dreams come true is calling out to you, inspiring each of you to wish upon a star. Follow your hearts and discover a world full of wonder. Like those who have answered the call, if you allow your dream to be your guide, you may be surprised by what you discover, so long as you simply believe.
I remember someone
hold you